Hey there! Welcome back to Soil Books, the place where I help you grow smarter with nature. Today, I'm talking about something ancient, effective, and totally organic: neem leaves. You might know them from skincare, but they're a total game changer for your garden too. So, have you ever wondered how to protect your plants from pests without reaching for chemicals? Or how to boost your soil while keeping diseases at bay? Stick around, because I'll show you how neem leaves can be your secret weapon as a natural pest control, soil enhancer, and compost booster. Quick question for you. Do you use any natural ways to protect your plants from bugs and disease? Have you tried neem in your garden? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd really love to learn what works for you. Let's dig into why neem leaves are so powerful. Neem leaves are packed with natural compounds like azadirachtin. Think of it as insect-repelling magic. There's also nimbin and nimbidin. Those are antifungal and antibacterial. And salanin? It repels over 200 insect species. The best part? Neem goes easy on those good guys like bees and butterflies. Here are 3 easy ways to use neem leaves in your garden. First, neem leaf spray for pest control. Grab 2 handfuls of fresh neem leaves, boil them in a liter of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cool and strain. You can add a teaspoon of mild soap if you want it to stick better. Spray your plants every week or so. This works wonders against aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, leaf miners, even fungal problems. Second, neem leaf powder for soil health. Dry neem leaves in the shade until they're crispy, then crush them into powder. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons into your soil or compost per plant. This boosts the microbes and keeps nasty root nematodes away. Third, neem leaf compost booster. Just toss fresh or dried neem leaves straight into your compost pile. They help it break down faster, control odors, and keep unwanted bugs out. Wondering which plants love neem? Pretty much everything from tomatoes and chilies to cabbages, eggplants, roses, houseplants, and fruit trees like guava, mango, and lemon. Just a heads up, go easy on neem spray during flowering or you might bother your pollinators. Now, how does neem stack up against store-bought pesticides? Neem leaves are cheap or free, safe for bees, improve your soil, and are 100% eco-friendly. Chemical pesticides, not so much. So tell me, what's your favorite homemade garden remedy? Neem, garlic spray, banana tea? Drop your recipe in the comments and let's build an organic gardening community together. To recap, neem leaves are all natural pest repellents, antifungal and antibacterial, awesome for soil and compost free and sustainable. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a green tip or DIY fertilizer. Thanks for watching Soil Books. And remember, you don't need chemicals to grow strong, just the wisdom of nature.